welcome to the 6 days of deeds with Willie Claus. This is a high-value, deal-focused countdown to sharpen your skills and get you reverse flip ready before the challenge even begins. Did you know that everyone on my nice list gets a free ticket to the challenge? Yes, Willie Claus is feeling very generous this year. Every day you'll get one mission, a skill, a principle, or an insight that's going to move you closer to that $25,000 to $100,000 payday that most investors throw away. This isn't fluff. This is the real prep work that turns attendees into action takers and action takers into deal makers. Let's get right into it. 6 high-value insights that every investor needs to master. The theme is that we need to upgrade the way that you think about deals. So insight number 1, deals don't come from leads. They come from inefficiencies. The money is in solving what everyone else avoids. Number 2, most investors overpay because they don't understand seller motivation. Motivation is always more important than what the ARV is or the as-is value is. Motivation determines speed, flexibility, and the equity spread. Number 3, title issues are not problems. They're price justifiers. For example, liens, heirs, and probates are discounts waiting to be negotiated. Number 4, your network multiplies your net worth, especially attorneys. Most investors don't have the right legal partners, and therefore they miss deals daily. Number 5, your CRM is a timeline of wasted opportunities. Old leads appreciate like fine wine. Revisit them and you'll find deals that you overlooked. Number 6, deal diagnosis. Most investors don't even know what they're looking at. Reverse flippers are trained to identify the real problem: heirs, liens, probate status, debt pressure, etc. So we asked some of the RF members to post some questions. So we have one here from Thomas. So Thomas is asking, what is the best way to get started at home or on a laptop, on the go, remotely? Listen, the best way to get started is to use one of our videos that we've made either on Envelo or Batch Leads or anything like that. Create your own list of any motivation, which we talk about many other types in there. Start calling right away, right? That is how you get started. Start having conversations with these sellers and or heirs and field some motivation. He's also asking, how can I learn the best legal way to keep up with taxes in your home-based business? Honestly, I am not a CPA, and I'm not giving any financial advice or accounting advice. I'd recommend that you get a great CPA in order to do that. So I appreciate that, Thomas. Are you ready to hone in the skills and actually make money in this business? The Dead Leads to Deed Challenge is where it all comes together. Join the challenge and upgrade to VIP if you haven't done so already to get direct access, private Q&A, and priority deal support. If you already bought the Reverse Flip Playbook, your ticket is included. Comment the word Day 6 below, and one of our RF strategists will reach out and set you all up. And they will be your personal contact throughout the entire challenge.